According to research from LinkedIn, every connection you have on LinkedIn can connect you to 400 potential new connections. But remember, it's no use having a fantastic LinkedIn profile if nobody sees it. 70% of LinkedIn users have found a new job via a mutual connection. 35% say that a casual conversation on LinkedIn messaging led to a new opportunity. And 25% of all business professionals have started a new business partnership through having a conversation on LinkedIn messaging. All of your clients and friends have jobs. And once you connect with them on LinkedIn, they can start seeing what you're up to by viewing your profile. This could lead to a new opportunity for you. You can have up to 30,000 connections on the platform, but it's not a popularity contest. It's better to have 500 high-quality connections than 30,000 people who can't help you at all. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer and coach. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At workshop number 8 in my bite-sized LinkedIn series, you will learn how to easily grow your business network quickly and easily by adding the contacts you already have in your address book to your LinkedIn profile. You'll be surprised where you can find them and what that could lead to. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.